In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your orders on Alibaba. If you've ever found yourself eagerly awaiting a package from Alibaba, then this guide is for you. Tracking your order is a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step, ensuring you know exactly how to find that crucial information so you can keep tabs on your shipment every step of the way. First off, you'll want to head over to Alibaba's website. This is your starting point for all things related to your order. Open up your preferred web browser and type in alibaba.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top of the page where you'll find the option to log in. Make sure to enter your details to access your account. It's important to be logged in so you can access your order history and details. After logging in, the next thing you'll want to do is locate your order information. Look for the order section, which is usually located in a drop-down menu under your account settings or can be found directly on the main page. Click on Order to navigate to your current and past purchases. Here, you'll see a list of all your transactions. Browse through this list until you find the specific order you want to track. Now, this is where things get interesting and a bit more hands-on. After finding your order, you need to retrieve its tracking number. The tracking number is a unique identifier that allows you to follow your order's journey from dispatch to delivery. Click on your order details and you'll see this tracking number displayed. Copy this number as you'll need it for the next steps. With your tracking number in hand, go to a website where you can track orders specifically from Alibaba. A site like ordertracker.com is very useful for this purpose. Simply type Alibaba tracking in your search bar and it should direct you to a site that can handle your request. Once there, you'll notice a field where you can paste in your tracking number. Paste your copied tracking number into the designated space on the tracking website, ensuring accuracy, as even a small mistake can lead to incorrect tracking information. Double check your tracking number after pasting it to be certain it matches exactly what you copied from Alibaba. Finally, locate the button that says Track a Parcel and click on it. This action will generate an update that breaks down your order's current status, including its latest location and estimated delivery time. It's as simple as that. With the tracking number successfully entered, the site will now show you all the details of your parcel's journey, keeping you informed every step until it arrives right at your doorstep. So that's how you easily track your orders on Alibaba. It's a process that ensures you're always in the loop, making the waiting game a little less suspenseful and a lot more manageable. Thank you for joining me today and happy tracking.